Hello, my dear student. Today now we have to discuss SSLC Studies Materials June 2021 Part 2B, the biology. So I have to the explanation for to Jagdish. So I have then have the live progress and control of the coordinator, how the organizer this repeated heredity to this evaluation, substituted the management of the natural resource. So I have the one or the first of all this biology is the chapter life process and the pictures of the aerations and the explanation of the 3 or 2 marks or question. Then time June down 2019 to the explanation of this two pictures and diagram you have to write now. Then you had the hot of year. You should have this the 4 marks or question, 3 marks or question to enter then useful to you. So more most linking this question for 2021 included previous year in year. Now we had the included someone here biology and technicians of this two materials and organator. So as a little materials and useful to you, and there is use of this election and ponon, and there is two included someone here this the control date and the materials and just chapter number control and the coordinator. So then had the included someone your picture. So have to the useful two marks per question. Now can you and refer to this the one is two ideas is. So identity for this the expression of this the one of the ideas is. So included someone here especially 1 or 2 question and 2 or 3 days and marks or question. Do one thinking then our ideas is how do you organizations the reputations and days comparisons of your ideas is. So especially to one of this confirmation to them more than our ideas is duration centers the practice were also and needed from you this biology and most skill the question paper 2021 and I realizes of this to main and this DNA question copied and reduces of this to method in the follow up in processing and chapter 19 edited the evaluator. Then you have the confirmation to the explanations of the newer ideas. So organize it from here. Now this is about bracketed or question to answer and directly to have to read in and this is the practice or also then included some your explanation and more than your the confirmation to our ideas and 15th one chapter our environment repeated the expression of this 1 hour ideas is you have the confirmation to question it or answer. 16 one is the substitutable the management of the natural resources. I had the confirmation to 1 hour the ideas is I have this good of the confirmation directly to improvement of this expression more than ever the question to your ideas is and this question and answer. So had interesting in your videos, please subscribe please and bell button do all some you are the subscribe there. So thank you very much. I am Jagdish. I am maybe major English to add the explanations of the your ideas. Please get interesting out the videos. Please comment it your the message. Thank you very much.